From Bengaluru to Delhi, Mumbai to Shillong, people attended midnight and morning masses. Many could celebrate for the first time. In fact, in 2 years of the pandemic, for many it was cautious and muted celebrations.
One of the most moving visuals this Christmas. The villagers of Oting in Nagaland organized a midnight prayer at the mass grave of the youths who died in botched army ambush on December 4th. Christmas goodies, wreaths, flowers, Santa caps were laid. Verses from Holy Bible read out. In rest of the northeast, people soaked in the Yuletide spirit. Cities like Guwahati and Shillong were decked up for Christmas as they face lesser restrictions. Last year's Christmas were largely indoors in the region.
Well, Guwahati has witnessed large turnout of crowd in the Christmas evening in every churches. The state government has decided to impose strict COVID restrictions from Sunday since there has been an Omicron alert sounded by Centre. Centre is more worried about Mizoram, which has one of the highest caseloads in the northeast.
In Mizoram's Aizawl, the community feast and carol, the integral part of Christmas in the state, will be missing as authorities have tightened restrictions.
The Christmas spirit is very much alive in Mizoram, and families are getting together to celebrate Christmas in their own special way. The traditional Christmas services will be on in the churches, but in most of the urban areas, because of the COVID pandemic, we will not be having our traditional feasts.
Down south, Bengaluru saw people on the streets. No specific restrictions this time.
Whatever, even COVID, whatever it is, we have to celebrate, right?
But why you people are not wearing mask?
It's okay, only today. Only today mask is not mandatory.
While in Maharashtra, prohibitory orders including Section 144 has been imposed.
People have come over here. That is Section 144 that has been imposed not only in Mumbai but across Maharashtra. However, apart from that, what we will see, that is on the other side, people are still present.
At the national capital, the Delhi Disaster Management Authority has said that religious places will remain open on Christmas and New Year for celebrations and prayers, but with strict compliance to COVID-19 safety guidelines.
While the DDMA has allowed religious places to remain open for Christmas and New Year celebrations, the concern over the rise of Omicron variant of COVID-19 remains, and the celebrations are relatively muted this year, with many churches even taking decision to remain shut to avoid gathering and spread of COVID-19. तो इस बार क्या लग रहा है कि कोविड की वजह से थोड़ा
कम है, सेलिब्रेट कम है।
बहुत ज़्यादा रश होता था, अभी भी है, लेकिन कोविड की वजह से जो उनकी गाइडलाइन है उसकी फॉलो करते हुए फिर दिल्ली पुलिस भी हाँ.
With Nihal Kidwai in Bengaluru, Sohit Mishra in Mumbai, Akshay Dongre in New Delhi, Ratnadeep Chaudhary in Guwahati, and with inputs from Dalidia Fanai in Aizawl, Saurabh Chakravarti for NDTV.